Now, for the first time, precision-shaped ceramic grains are used in threaded wheels, and these 3M Cubitron 2-gear grinding wheels are a true revolution for the grinding process. The advantages in comparison to standard ceramic threaded wheels are enormous. The cycle times can be halved, and this at a much lower thermal load on the workpiece. Additionally, it's possible to increase the infeeds and the feed rates and at the same time to reduce the number of grinding passes. The Cubitron 2 threaded wheels offer up to a 3-fold increase in tool life, and this even at reduced shifting rates. Overall, this improves other critical grinding parameters. The increased infeeds result in higher material removal rates and increased chip thicknesses. Grinding with Cubitron 2 sets new economic standards in gear manufacture. However, how do we explain the secret of success? Much quicker than conventional ceramic abrasives, the precision-shaped grains rapidly penetrate the workpiece surface and instantly generate chips that carry away the heat from the workpiece, thus reducing the risk of grinding burns to next to nothing in spite of the high material removal rates. In continuous generating grinding, the contact area of the threaded wheel moves from the tip to the root of the gear tooth. While in contact, the threaded wheel simultaneously engages with 2 to 3 gear teeth. While the threaded wheel moves vertically up or down in direction of the feed rate axis, there is a small simultaneous lateral movement which is called shifting. This shifting movement ensures that the threaded wheel continuously exposes unused geometrically defined 3M precision-shaped grains. The illustration shows the path of the contact area of the threaded wheel across the workpiece tooth surface. During the vertical feed motion, the contact area travels a set value per each revolution of the workpiece, either up or down in the direction of feed movement. The feed rate corresponds to the movement of the contact area, which is illustrated by the distance between the red lines. Cubitron 2 threaded wheels are second to none with their extreme material removal potential of up to 1000 cubic millimeters per second. The Cubitron 2 wheel is so free cutting that, when we look at the wheel's surface under the microscope, one can hardly make out a difference between a used and an unused threaded wheel. The gear measurement graphs prove the high quality of the grinding results in line with automotive standards. For example, the profile deviation FF alpha is below 2 microns. In summary, an excellent result. When grinding with 3M Cubitron 2 threaded wheels, the demands on dressing are substantially reduced in terms of lower dressing frequencies and higher tool life of the diamond dressing rolls. Also, the loads on the diamond dressing rolls are lower. Instead of hammering away at the abrasive grit, as was the case with other abrasives, small segments are precisely removed to maintain the geometrically defined cutting edges. These new threaded wheels can deliver up to a 3-fold increase in tool life. 3M Cubitron 2 threaded wheels offer a gigantic potential to reduce manufacturing costs while maintaining highest gear quality. The risk of burning is dramatically lower, while the grinding cycles are up to 50% shorter and the wheel life is 2 times longer. Additionally, there is less wheel dressing at a consistent grinding performance, which leads to extremely powerful grinding parameters.